Hello everyone, got a small diorama here from the brand Model Art. I actually thought it was from Liberty64, but on the box it says Model Art. Doesn't say much more, no barcode, no article number, no extra information. Oh, let's open the box. Very well packed, very well protected. Here we got the accessories. It also says Liberty64 and Model Art. It's a collab. That's what it is. So here we see the diorama. You see it's very well protected in a display case. Not super big, but the quality is very good. I have to say, very well painted. A little bit of weathering effect. Nice colors are used. There's a little bit of felt underneath, so you won't scratch the table, your desk, or whatever. Yeah, first impression, very, very nice. Let's have a look at the accessories. Packed in foam. Be careful. Okay, this is a sticker, but you have to cut them out yourself. And you can decide where to put it. Some old newspapers, movie posters, Forrest Gump, The Joker. I also see The Godfather. Curb your ego for your eyes. Can you read it? Then we have some leaves, very small leaves. And what is this? Always be careful, even if it is foam. It's a big container. Also a little bit of weathered. Very well done. I believe we can put that here. And the good thing is about these loose accessories, you can also place it in another diorama. Yeah, it fits perfect. Then we have this right here. A pylon. Place it in front here. We got a very nice weathered trash can. Yeah, very well done. Place it here. There's even some vegetation here. Did you notice that? See, it's already looking a lot better with those accessories. And I like what they did with the wall with the missing bricks. A couple of tires. You can place it right here. And we got another one. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I think they did a really good job with this diorama. Fantastic. And a pallet. Well, we can place the tires on the pallet. Why not? Yeah. That is looking very cool. Now, let's add a car and a figure, and then we're done. Okay, I think I'm starting with this motorcycle right here in a 1/64 scale. And I'm putting it right here. Then to use this figure in front of the door. Oh, by the way, I add one sticker, fuck work, here on the door. I think this diorama is so good it doesn't need extra stickers. So I'm keeping it as original as possible. Maybe you think, hey, with the Joker sticker it is so much cooler. Well, you can decide it yourself. I do think caution, keep gate close is pretty cool here on the door. And then I'm going to add this one. Right here. And then the diorama is complete. I'm not going to add these leaves. It's almost summer, so no leaves on the ground. So let me know what you think about this diorama. I think it's really cool and I'm very happy with it. Oh, last thing we have to do. Make sure there is no dust. Awesome, right? Very cool diorama. Got mine on Aliexpress, so now you know. Don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye.